what is the association's liability if we don't get the motion passed to replace plumbing that has caused repeated active leaks? Ooh, that's a lawyer thing. Remember, we're not giving legal advice, but from what I understand, the association, and again, 99% of these bylaws and governing documents I have read, I haven't read yours, but start there, says the association shall maintain. Doesn't say when we have money, when we'll get around to it, So you have a duty, you shall maintain. So how do we do that? We pass a motion for a bigger budget or, a special assessment, et cetera. If that motion is voted down by the people, well, I think the board is kind of off the hook, but they've done what the board is supposed to do. We're trying to do this. We're going to get a motion. You as the association have voted it down. I think that's how the democracy works there, but definitely reach out to your HOA attorney and don't take my word for it. But
the issue they've been getting hit with, though, Jens, is my understanding is the properties that have had frequent water losses, it's their insurance company, their insurance deductible that used to be $10,000, in some cases creeping up $75,000, $100,000 for a water loss. Yeah.
So the insurer says, wait a minute, how many plumbing losses have you had this year? We notice all your plumbing is failing and breaking and dripping. And what Jared's saying, it used to cost $10,000 for an annual policy. Now it's going to cost $100,000 because the insurance company's tired of paying out these claims. And then the insurance company can also walk away too. Until you get this fixed, we're not going to reinsure you. And so those are things you need to think about.